Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be making white cake. And this white cake is from the Dollar Tree. And all this cake needs is egg whites and any oil that you have. Okay, so let's get started. Just ignore what's happening in the background. I'm just boiling some orange skin just to kind of make the house smell a little bit fresher. And so let's get started. Guys, I'm very excited because I'm using my iPhone to videotape this. This is the first time I'm doing this. I'm excited to be doing this. So let's get started. All I need is the cake mix. And I'm going to open this box. I am never prepared. I'm always missing something, but I'm going to try and open this with my hands because I don't have a scissors. So let's pour that in. So here we go. And this egg white in the box, guys, you need 2 tablespoons of this egg white to equal egg whites from 1 egg. Okay, so this recipe calls for 2 egg whites. So I'm going to use 4 tablespoons. Okay, that will equal the 2 eggs. Okay, so. All right, here we go. Our egg whites are in. And then we're going to also need 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to use the same tablespoon that I was using before. And I'm going to measure the oil. I'm sorry, my friends. We also need half cup of water. That's why it's looking like this. So let's get that in there. Half cup of water. Just gonna. Oh, here comes my half a cup, and I'm just gonna get some cold water, and then putting the cold water in. So guys, this is an easy recipe to be doing with children. It doesn't take much of an ingredients to make this cake. This is the first time I'm trying this Dollar Tree cake. So, this is the first time I'm trying this Dollar Tree cake. So I hope it works out well. Right? I hope you guys are having a nice time making and doing a lot in spite of us being under quarantine. So this is also part of my quarantine baking, and I do find that since this has happened, since everybody's on the quarantine and COVID has started, I find that I'm baking a lot more now, right? I'm trying different recipes and hanging out. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this some more until. See, it's not much in the box, right? It's not much batter. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this. It's still a little bit lumpy, but I'm gonna stir this around a little bit. Okay. Right, and I have already preheated the oven to 350. And it should take no more than 10 to 15 minutes to bake. It's quite easy, quick. I'm just greasing my baking dish. It calls for a 9-inch baking dish, but this is an 8-inch baking dish. And I've greased the baking dish. I'm just going to lightly dust it with flour. Okay. Lightly dust it with flour, and I think we're good to go. All right, so I'm gonna pour this in and bake this for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to check it after 10 minutes to see what's happening. I'm just going to grab a batter from here. Another thing that I've been doing since this whole quarantine thing started is I'm also been exercising. You know, it's funny how it takes something like this for people to get off the couch. But I started to walk, and every day now I'm walking for half an hour every day. I'm trying to continue it for about 21 days just to see how it is. Because I was told or read that you need to try something for 21 days before it becomes a habit. So I'm hoping this walking thing sticks and it becomes a habit. I'm actually becoming addicted to walking now, so I think it's true to what they said. Okay, so here's our cake. I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm going to be checking it after 10 minutes, and then we'll come back when it's done. Okay? Okay, my friends, here it is. This cake was actually baking for 30 minutes, not 15 or 20 that I told you before. It's actually 30 minutes, okay? So this is what it looks like. It's just cooling now. I've been having it cool for about 10 minutes so far. So it's cool. It's getting cool. I have my my cake stand set up, and I'm going to try and ice in this cake, okay? So here we go. 30 minutes cake, okay? Icing for this wonderful dollar store cake. First of all, we need some icing sugar, and we need 2 cups of icing sugar, okay? So let's measure this out, and then we can get the rest going, okay? Icing sugar is something that you need to have in your cupboard just in case you feel like baking a cake. And I think this is probably 2 cups that I have in here. So I'm just going to empty it all out in here. So that's 1 cup. And the rest is about 2 cups. Okay? So I'm just going to empty all of this in here. Yeah. As I said, icing sugar is one of those staples that you need to have in your cupboard, your baking cupboard, just in case you decided that you're going to make some cakes or cupcakes, or just in case you're going to do some baking. It's good to have icing sugar in the cupboard. I'm just scraping all the bits that we have in here and make it equal 2 cups. I'm sure some more could have come out of it, but we did our best, right? Oh. The one thing with baking is that it gets very, very messy, but that's okay. Okay, so we need some butter, and I have some Basil butter here, and plant-based. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of the basil butter. Okay, so here we go. So this is 1. Make sure the butter is at room temperature, my friends, in order to get it to be able to mix nicely. Okay, this is 2. Baking is a messy job, and it's okay if there's a little bit of mess, right? 3. Let's get it in here. 4. Okay, so there we go. 4 tablespoons of butter, and then we need 2 tablespoons of milk. Here's 1, and that's the other. And you may, let's get some teaspoon of vanilla in here, just for a nice smell, nice taste. And you just need a half a spoon of vanilla. Okay, and you can tip a little bit of salt in it. Just a pinch of salt in it. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that up, and we're gonna come right back. Okay, I'm just gonna move this out of the way. Put these away. Yeah. There you go. We're mixing this up. As I said, my friends, baking is a messy job, but it's okay. Right? It's a little bit runny, but it'll have to do. Okay? So, okay, my friends, this is the cake all done iced. It's not the prettiest, however, you get the drift. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this cake, taste it, and let you know how it tastes. Okay? So don't forget, we're making the Dollar Tree cake. Now the Dollar Tree cake, as you can see, the batter when I started, it wasn't a big batter. It's very small. So for $1.25, if you're doing a cake for just for yourself, then this is a good box to buy. But Betty Crocker box, or those Duncan Hines box, you can get them for $1, and you'll get more servings out of them, right? So I'm gonna cut this cake, taste it, and let you know how it tastes. What? Always the black plate. Always some noise in the kitchen, guys. Always some noise in the kitchen. This is what it tastes. It looks like. It's a little bit white in the middle, so I guess.
Oh, it's called white cake.
The top is brown, of course, when it's baked. Here it is. And let's try this cake.
Yeah.
It's pretty tasty. Another surprise taste.
Second opinion.
My daughter's gonna give you a second opinion. I think it's pretty tasty. What do you think?
Okay. It's
Yeah.
pretty moist.
It's pretty moist.
And like the icing is perfect.
Ah.
So it goes really well together.
Okay. So there you hear it from us guys. Don't forget, my friends, not everyone that wonders is lost. And always strive for something better. Thank you for watching.